Most of our time is spent defending fraudulent conveyance and preference clawbacks. We also represent people in claims litigation, live-stay litigation, adequate protection motions, and so on, general creditor work. Since we spent the last 20 years defending clawbacks, we built up over the years a huge precedent library of motions, briefs, and other pleadings. We don't have to reinvent the wheel every time we face a new legal issue. We build on what we already have, our previous work. Many lawyers don't know what they don't know. We can usually spot what issues and what defenses are relevant, but we don't leave it to chance. We use an extensive checklist to make sure we don't miss anything. We also created a great team to access experts outside the firm when we need them. We have a statistician on call we regularly use for ordinary course analysis. We have experts that we use again and again. It's important to me to have people I know are good and charge reasonable fees for their services. Our team also consists of our full-time lawyers, of course, and local lawyers we use on a regular basis. Our regular staff lawyers start out as research assistants, graduate to pleading drafters, and then eventually start handling cases. I keep our staff of lawyers below 10, and I personally review every single case. I can only do this since we keep our firm relatively small. All my lawyers use extensive checklists, both to analyze the case and to make sure the case is managed properly and we meet our deadlines. My ad hoc lawyers are folks that regularly practice in a local bankruptcy court. I've worked with these lawyers on a case-by-case basis for many, many years in just about every single bankruptcy court in the country, including Hawaii and Alaska. We built the network by only hiring lawyers that are regularly active in that bankruptcy court and maintain an office close to the courthouse so that we don't have to pay them for travel time. They are familiar with the specific judges and local rules and have credibility with those judges, as well as relationships with the local trustees, which can definitely help in the settlement process. So we choose these people very, very carefully. And most of them I've been working with for many years. My full-time people do the analysis. Ad hoc lawyers do the physical hearings, trustee negotiations, and depositions. Since the firm is entirely digital and we use Zoom extensively, our entire team has immediate access to each other and to the relevant files.